When talking about the best budget watch brands, excluding Citizen from that conversation would be tragic. They have a strong legacy for creating stylish, accurate, and well-built watches, with an enormous range to choose from. In this video, we're taking a look at the gold tone quartz chronograph AN8052-55E. Featuring a textured black dial and a luxurious gold tone stainless steel case and bracelet, this one is quite dressy, but it doesn't go over the top in terms of flashiness. With this quartz chronograph movement comes deadly reliable accuracy and 3 handy subdials. At 3 o'clock we have a 24-hour subdial, 6 o'clock houses the second counter, and 9 o'clock provides the minute counter. Slotted in at about 5 o'clock is the date window, and sitting strongly at 12 o'clock is the Citizen logo. If you're someone who struggles with legibility, this is a pretty good watch to wear. With sizable Arabic numerals at every other hour marker and strong contrast between the hands and dial, this becomes a fairly easy watch to read at a quick glance. However, I think you'll find yourself taking a much longer glance than you'd initially go for, because objectively, this is a nice looking watch. If you're a fan of the black and gold look, having one of these in your collections is a no-brainer, and it would serve you well too. Being a quartz movement, you don't have to wind it up each time you want to wear it. And like I said earlier, it's going to be really accurate. Build quality is stronger than you'd expect at this price point too, with minimal flex in the bracelet and a fairly good weight to the entire piece. The stainless steel links wrap around your wrist in all their gold elegance, and the branded one-touch 3-fold clasp is nice and strong. Remember that this is a chronograph, so by default, the main second hand will stay at 12 o'clock, but to get it ticking over, just give that top pusher a push. To return it back to 12, give the bottom pusher a push. There's some fairly strong lumen bright on the hour and minute hands, so exposing this to some light during the day will charge that up, and after the sun sets, it'll slowly release, giving you more legibility at nighttime. This one does have a 42mm diameter to the case, but honestly it doesn't feel so big, so I'd say anyone could wear this and pull it off. For reference, my wrist is about 6 inches around and it fits okay. So there you go, a lovely Citizen watch ready for all occasions. You seriously can't go wrong wearing a Citizen, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Would it make a good gift? You tell me in the comments down below. You can find this watch online at watchdepot.com.au by clicking the link in the description. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.